Hi guys, welcome back to my truffle kitchen. In fact, it's turning into chocolate kitchen just for today. We are going to be making triple layer chocolate mousse cups. We have the simplest list of ingredients that we're going to turn into dark chocolate, milk chocolate and white chocolate mousse layers. So now this delicious dessert is ready. I promise you it will melt in your mouth and will melt your heart. But make sure you burn some calories before eating it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my kitchen next time. And now I'm going to enjoy my chocolate mousse.